For this project, I want you to take an existing bike and make it into a bike that you can use. Make it different and cool to you. The first step is to choose a starter bike to use. This is my starter bike. Then I made a sketch for an idea. The idea can change, and probably will, as you move forward with this project. I got my starter bike working and I tried it out. You can see that it is too small for me to ride comfortably. I took it apart and decided to start with the front fork build. I cut the front fork ends and top threaded end off the starter bike. I attached the pieces to another fork that I found from another bike. I put the new front fork on the bike and tried it out. Again, but the seat was way too low. So I figured out a way to raise and move the seat back. This was a good start, but the bike was off balance. I had to lean forward to prevent the bike from doing a wheelie. After trying the bike, I knew that I needed to move the rear wheel back. So I cut off the back of another bike and tack welded it to my starter bike. I also figured that I would need to extend the chain. I put the bike back together. As you can see, it is more comfortable for me to ride and it has much better balance. The first kickstand that I attached to the bike did not hold the bike up well and was hanging down too low. I also felt the pedals were too small for my feet. This was an easy fix. I just changed the pedals to larger ones. The bike is now comfortable to ride and in my opinion looks cool. The last steps is to take the bike completely apart, clean and paint each piece, grease all areas, and reassemble.